Mastering Statistical Process Control (SPC) with Minitab. We will delve into the world of SPC techniques, statistical analysis, and quality control using Minitab software. What is Statistical Process Control (SPC)? Statistical Process Control (SPC) is a method of quality control that uses statistical methods to monitor and control a process. SPC techniques involve analyzing data to understand the process variation, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions for process improvement. How can Minitab help with SPC? Minitab is a powerful statistical software that is widely used for process monitoring and analysis. With Minitab, you can easily create control charts, perform statistical analysis, and conduct capability analysis to assess the performance of your processes. The benefits of SPC with Minitab. Process optimization. By using Minitab for SPC, organizations can identify process variations and make data-driven decisions to optimize their processes for better performance. Quality management. SPC with Minitab enables organizations to maintain high-quality standards in their products and services by monitoring process performance and ensuring consistency. SPC implementation. Minitab provides the necessary tools and resources for implementing SPC techniques effectively, leading to improved process stability and product quality. How to master SPC techniques with Minitab. To master SPC techniques with Minitab, it is essential to undergo proper training and certification in statistical quality control. Organizations can invest in SPC training programs that focus on the fundamentals of SPC principles, process monitoring, and statistical process control tools. Conclusion. Mastering Statistical Process Control (SPC) with Minitab is essential for organizations looking to achieve process optimization, quality management, and continuous improvement.